Hello everyone, I'm Richard and today I'm gonna destroy these two fidget spinners. If you are interested in why am I even doing this, please read the description first. First, I'm gonna destroy this fidget spinner. Everyone says that this is a stress toy. Well, I'm pretty stressed right now, so let's try it out. Nothing! Let's destroy it. First, I'm going to try a simple drop. Well, it looks like that nothing happened to this spinner. Let's try something else. 3, 2, 1. There's a crack in here and the center fell out. But I'm gonna put it all together and we'll try one of the last things. So I am going to drop it off a balcony. Alright, you son of a bitch, you have no chance for surviving. I'm now going to drop you off the balcony. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Only this and this fell out. But everything seems to be okay. Let's see if it will survive the last challenges. So I'm gonna put it right here, under the bed, and then jump on the bed. Let's see what will happen. Wow, I can spin it when it's under the bed. It's nice. Nice feature. So let's destroy it. 3, 2, 1, jump! I tried everything and I just couldn't destroy it properly. So I think I'll have to try something else. You can see that my method worked really good. I think it's time for me to burn it down. Before I do it, please don't try this at home. I don't know why, but it smells like the cheapest bacons in the world. You can see that it's really burned here and also here. Alright, let's destroy the second spinner. Let's spin it for its last time. Thanks for watching and see you soon.